Welcome to the instructional video of the Lion Fire Manikin. I want to explain to you how to use our Fire Manikin. The package consists of one Fire Manikin and one pot of fire gel. Place the mannequin on the stand, so it can easily be placed horizontally on the floor when using the fire blanket. To avoid premature wear, use the vest, sold separately. Place the mannequin horizontally on the floor. Put the vest on the fire mannequin. Apply the Lion Fire Gel horizontally directly on the mannequin with a paintbrush. Please note that one stroke will make the fire last for around 20 seconds. Light the gel with an igniter. Place the fire mannequin on the ground while using a fire blanket. Apply the Lion Fire Gel horizontally directly on the mannequin with a paintbrush. Use a fire blanket to extinguish the fire. Clean the fire mannequin by brushing away the gel's residues. Do not use strong detergents or solvents. Scrap away any unburnt gel's residues. For more information, check our webshop, shop.lionprotects.com.